Hello everyone, welcome to Learn the Lingo. My name is Matthew, and today we're going to read a new Hebrew story called Hakos Haktuma. We're going to translate the story into English, and then read it back through in Hebrew. Kos is the word cup, and ketuma is the feminine singular form of the adjective katom, which means orange. Since the word kos is a feminine singular noun, the adjective must also be in feminine singular form. Both the noun and the adjective have a ha, which means the on them. Hakos haktuma, the orange cup. The first page of this story says, Lifnei arba chodashim קיבלתי כוס כתומה וחדשה מסבתא שלי. In some cases, Lifnei can mean before. But if the following words are a period of time, then Lifnei will mean ago. The following words here are arba, for, chodashim, months. Lifnei arba chodashim, 4 months ago. Kibalti is a piel past tense verb whose subject is I, from the root kuf bet lamed. Kibalti means I got or I received. Kos means cup, and it is followed by the adjectives ketuma, orange, v, and chadasha, new. Both the adjectives ketuma and chadasha are in feminine singular form to agree with the feminine singular noun kos. Mi means from, which attaches on to the following word, savta, grandma. Sheli means of me. Savta sheli, my grandma. Lifnei arba chodashim קיבלתי כוס כתומה וחדשה מסבתא שלי. 4 months ago, I got a new orange cup from my grandma. הבוקר אני מבולבל. הכוס שלי לא נמצאת במטבח. הבוקר means the morning, which is how you say this morning in Hebrew. אני means I, and מבולבל means confused. Hakos means the cup, and sheli means of me. Hakos sheli, the cup of me, or my cup. Lo means not. Nimtzet is the feminine singular form of the word nimtza, which means is, talking about location. Ba means in the, and mitbach means kitchen. הבוקר אני מבולבל. הכוס שלי לא נמצאת במטבח. This morning I am confused. My cup is not in the kitchen. אני מחפש את הכוס גם בחדר האוכל. אני לא רואה אותה. אני means I, and מחפש is a piel present tense verb in the masculine singular form from the root chet pe sin. This means look for. Et is a Hebrew preposition that goes before the definite direct object of the verb, that is, before what is being looked for, which is hakos, the cup. Gam means also or to, ba means in, and chadar ha'ochel means the dining room. Chadar ochel is a construct phrase, which literally means room of food. To say the dining room, we put the ha, which means the, on the last word of the phrase. Chadar ha'ochel, the dining room. Ani is I, lo is not, and ro'eh is the masculine singular form of the Qal present tense from the root resh aleph hey. This verb means see. Ota means it as the definite direct object of the verb ro'eh. Ani mechapes et hakos גם בחדר האוכל. אני לא רואה אותה. I look for the cup in the dining room too. I do not see it. אני מבקש מאמא שלי לחפש את הכוס איתי. היא לא רואה אותה. אני means I, and מבקש is the masculine singular form of the Piel present tense from the root beit kuf shin. When this verb is used with the preposition me, which literally means from, the following words will be someone who we are asking to do something. This person here is Ima Sheli. Ima means mother, and Sheli means of me. Ima Sheli, my mother, or my mom. Lachapes is the Piel infinitive from the root chet pe sin, which means to look for. Et hakos means the cup as the definite direct object of the verb. Iti means with me. He is she, lo is not, and ro'a is the feminine singular form of the Qal present tense from the root resh aleph hey, which means see. Ota means it as the definite direct object of the verb ro'a. אני מבקש מאמא שלי לחפש את הכוס איתי. היא לא רואה אותה. I asked my mom to look for the cup with me. She does not see it. אנחנו מחפשים אותה בחדר האורחים. הכוס לא נמצאת על השולחן או על הספה. אנחנו means we, and מחפשים is the masculine plural form of the Piel present tense from the root chet pe sin, which means look for. Ota again means it, referring to the cup. Ba means in, and chadar ha'orchim means the living room. Like chadar ochel, chadar orchim is a construct phrase. So the ha, which means the, goes on the last word. Chadar ha'orchim, the living room. Hakos, the cup. Lo, not. Nimtzet, is. Al, on. Hashulchan, the table. O, or. Al, on. Hasapa, the couch. So we have אנחנו מחפשים אותה בחדר האורחים. הכוס לא נמצאת על השולחן או על הספה. We look for it in the living room. The cup is not on the table or on the couch. אני מודאג. אני צריך את הכוס שלי. אני צמא. אני מודאג means I am worried. אני צריך means I need. Both of these phrases in masculine singular form. Et shows the definite direct object of צריך, which is hakos sheli. Hakos, the cup, sheli, of me. Hakos sheli, my cup. אני צמא means I am thirsty. Again, in masculine singular form. אני מודאג. אני צריך את הכוס שלי. אני צמא. I am worried. I need my cup. I am thirsty. אמא מנסה לחפש אותה בחדר השינה שלי. אמא means mom. מנסה is a Piel present tense verb in feminine singular form from the root nun samek he, which means tries, and לחפש means to look for. Ota means it, referring to the feminine kos, cup. Ba means in, and chadar hashena means the bedroom. Again, chadar shena, bedroom, is a construct phrase which puts the ha, that means the, on its last word. Chadar hashena, the bedroom. sheli, of me. Chadar hashina sheli, my bedroom. אמא מנסה לחפש אותה בחדר השינה שלי. Mom tries to look for it in my bedroom. כאן הכוס שלך, היא אומרת. הייתה על המיטה שלך. כאן means here, הכוס means the cup, and שלך means of you, masculine singular. הכוס שלך, your cup. He means she, and omeret is a call present tense verb in feminine singular form from the root aleph mem resh, which means says. Haita is a call past tense verb from the root he yod he. Its subject is he, which can mean she or a feminine it, like a cup. Haita, it was. Al means on, hamita means the bed, and shelcha means of you. Hamita shelcha, your bed. Kan hakos shelcha, היא אומרת, הייתה על המיטה שלך. Here is your cup, she says. It was on your bed. אני שמח. אני אומר לאמא שלי, תודה. אני שמח means I am happy. Ani is I, and omer is the masculine singular form of the kal present tense from the root aleph mem resh, which means says or say. La means to, ima sheli means my mom, and toda is thank you. Ani sameach. Ani omer laima sheli, toda. I am happy. I say to my mom, thank you. אני ממלא את הכוס שלי מיד ושותה הרבה מים. אני means I, and ממלא is a piel present tense verb in masculine singular form from the root mem lamed aleph. In the piel, this root has a meaning of filling. אני ממלא, I fill. את הכוס שלי means my cup as the definite direct object of the verb. Miyad means immediately or right away. V means and, which attaches onto the following word, shote, which is a kal present tense verb in masculine singular form from the root shin tav he. This verb means drink. Harbe means a lot of, and mayim means water. אני ממלא את הכוס שלי מיד, ושותה הרבה מים. I fill my cup right away and drink a lot of water. Now that we have read, translated, and understood this story, let's read it all back through in Hebrew. This story is called הכוס הכתומה. לפני 4 חודשים קיבלתי כוס כתומה וחדשה מסבתא שלי. הבוקר אני מבולבל. הכוס שלי לא נמצאת במטבח. אני מחפש את הכוס גם בחדר האוכל. אני לא רואה אותה. אני מבקש מאמא שלי לחפש את הכוס איתי. היא לא רואה אותה. אנחנו מחפשים אותה בחדר האורחים. הכוס לא נמצאת על השולחן או על הספה. אני מודאג. אני צריך את הכוס שלי. אני צמא. אמא מנסה לחפש אותה בחדר השינה שלי. כאן הכוס שלך, היא אומרת, הייתה על המיטה שלך. אני שמח. אני אומר לאמא שלי, תודה. אני ממלא את הכוס שלי מיד ושותה הרבה מים. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.